Hello beautiful people, today let's play with Overwhelming Hunger, and this is a deck that is focused mainly on Ruehin. We would like to create two copies of this card by utilizing AQ, and obviously here we also have Abaya, which can be also used to create additional one. Not necessarily you need to use Abaya on this card, because also here we have Brewess Ritual, and so we have two targets. So first of all, it's a Brewess Ritual by itself, and if you don't draw this card in the first round, then obviously you can use it on this AQ just to create another Ruehin. So let me walk you through the cards. Let's discuss the strategy. Two leader ticks of this Overwhelming Hunger ability. Not necessarily you need to keep it for the second or the third round. Just make sure that you keep at least one of them. What I would like to do is to use one of the leader charges in the first or the second round just to create the tempo. Here we have Urn of Shadows, which is absolutely crucial for us, and obviously we would like to use Urn of Shadows on Brewess Ritual. That would be our primarily first target. Just to keep, just to do the thinning, obviously, and just to get rid of all the bronzes in round one and create a huge tempo. We have here Dagon, and Dagon we would like to play obviously here the second version of Dagon, so we would like to keep him for the third long round, but according to my experience, and not necessarily it will survive, because when our opponents they see Dagon, what they do usually they just use some kind of a removal tool just to destroy him. So we are lucky if we get to maybe timer 4, but timer 5 was impossible for me in all the games. Chromatic Heatwave as a top punish option, and obviously scenario removal. Deadlove also to create a huge tempo, especially if we can draw both of the frogs in the first round. That would be great, because this is our carryover, and definitely we are looking for frogs. That's why we have cards here like Royal Decree. And Royal Decree, it's mainly here for Abaya, and also obviously for Brewess Ritual, just to create the tempo in round 1. But if we have in our hand Brewess Ritual, and also we have the frogs, then definitely I would use it on Abaya. Ruehin, just like I mentioned before, this is for the long third round, so this is something unexpected, because this card is not being played at all. I even don't remember when was the last time when I was facing a deck with Ruehin. Then we have a Whispering Hillock, so this is additional card that can help us with thinning, and just in case if we don't get Brewess, this is the card that can help us with this. Also, this is a pretty good card to get cards like Ruehin, to get a card like Deathwish or AQ. So this is kind of important for us. Don't do log. It would be great if we can get this card in the second round the most. But what is kind of important is that just if you play it in the same round with our Ruehin, just don't click the order, just keep the order for the last moment, unless you play it in the second round and then you don't play Ruehin. So that will be definitely beneficial, or obviously in the first round. Doregarai, just to have some kind of a control option. Abaya, obviously to create one more unit that is consumed by AQ, or just to trigger ability of Brewess. Then we have Succubus, and make sure that you will keep at least one of this copy of this card in your hand, just not to be in this situation in which Brewess will draw both of them, because you would like to keep at least one copy for the third round, if not even two. That would be perfect. If we can just use Door to Lock, just to have one in the graveyard, but second and the third copy of Succubus would be in our hand. Also here, Araka's Queen, just like I mentioned, usually I'm using this card to create one more Ruehin, but I'm losing, I would say, 4 points because I'm not pressing the order. So what I do, I consume Ruehin, he will eat one of the units with the Deathwish ability, and I play Araka's Queen in the range row, so it can be automatically consumed by one of the giant toads, so by one of our carryovers. Then we have Harpy X, also pretty amazing card that can give us 10 points for only 5 points of provision, and obviously it can be summoned by Brewess. Then we have Siren, 2 copies also, pretty amazing card because not only it has Deathwish ability but also it can consume a card. Then we have Selano Harpy, just to create one more egg. So make sure that you will play both of the copies in the same round. And with the thing that we have, most likely we will get this card in the same round, due to the fact that we are great in teaming. Foglet, here we have 1 copy. Just to create some kind of a damage ability, and obviously this is also a great card because it creates 3 turns of fog. 1 turn of fog creates 2 points of damages, so as you can see, altogether it can give us 10 points for only 4 points of provision, so this is absolutely amazing card. Pellar, I find this card necessary in this deck due to the fact that obviously our Brewers can get locked, or some other important card. That's why this is definitely a must-have. And Raga Warrior, also pretty important card for us. Just make sure that you will have both of the units with the Deathwish ability in the same row, and you can consume both of them at the same time. That would be great, especially if we have cards, let me say, like Deadlaugh and Succubus. That would be great if we can consume both of these cards in the same round, or even better, Ruehin with one of the previous mentioned cards, because then Ruehin will also consume one of the cards with Deathwish. Just make sure that you don't press the order, so you will not create more tokens of drones, especially regarding this Araka's Nest, and also obviously here regarding the Doltulok. Very strong card with a super high tempo, especially in round 1. If you feel like Coranti Heatwave is not needed here, definitely you can change it for Erondite, because Erondite will be huge. But I'm more afraid of some of the scenarios in the game, especially that we need to play longer 3rd round. We are not like into bleeding. Obviously we can do it with Deadlaugh. That's why I said that we can use 1 copy of a giant toad. So basically we are consuming it automatically, and then we are pressing one of the orders in the 2nd round, and then we already used both of the Deathwish ability of Deadlaugh. We don't need to create additional copy because we already have Succubus here. We have already Ruehin, so I would focus mostly on that kind of cards. So this is the deck for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time and support. Please like, subscribe and comment, guys. See you in the next video. And the last announcement, guys, please go to the nearest shelter and adopt the dog. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.
There is but one punishment for traitors.
Deathwish.
Out now, or must I reach for my pincers?
Freedom. I long for freedom.
Say, ah. Yes, nothing quite like a nice messy dissection. Tongue out, now, or must I reach for my pincers?
Behold Nilfgaard's iron might!
Come to me.
My men know the meaning of sacrifice. If it's peace you desire, prepare for war.
Optimum dosage teeters on the precipice of lethality.
You wouldn't want to hurt us, would you?
Obedience or the lash! A golden dragon! Their kingdoms will collapse like sand castles.
We're not done if we can stay here.
Give no quarter!
Lost spirit devoid of name, depart now our veil of pain.
I forgive you. This time. Give no quarter!
I'm just a sexy little fucked up machine called life. I don't have a dirty mind. Just one hell of an imagination.
Long live the Emperor!
It's not that I'm always wrong. It's you who's always says. Relax. Let me sweep your worries away.
Dead as a creaser. Blood of Erin.
Glory be it.
I do not mince words on principle.
Come on! Show us what you got!
I don't have a dirty mind. Just one hell of an imagination. Folk can be just as treacherous.
Only one will walk away from this.
Your skull will make a fine tankard.
Great!
Death is only the beginning!
What do you seek? Come to me.
Bury corpses? Nay, feed our foes to the crabs while they still live.
Stench of fear. I knows it well.
shall perish, worm.
Worry not. We'll tend your ankle biters too.
It's not Manela's fault. It's you who's always sexy.
Will you die already? Or need I kill you again?
Relax. Let me sweep your worries away.
Reasons for the feeble of heart!
We're not done if you can still walk.
We'll fight to the last bloody drop in our veins.
I'm just a sexy little cog in that fucked up machine called life.
I once lopped off 3 heads with one blow. Any lost words?
Be gone. Relax. Let me sweep your worries away.
Onward, sons of Nilfgaard!
Come to me. You wouldn't want to hurt us, would you?
Now I've served in Novigrad.
knew you would ask for this. Queen, Ruehin, Ruehin, and Ruehin.
You're dead already.
Mankind is a virus, a plague.
To feel, there is nothing.
no help from outsiders.
Good gwent card! Bestestest!
A golden dragon!
Defeat them with hunger, crush them with thirst.
We're not done if you can still walk.
Watch close.
I'm just a sexy little cog in that fucked up machine called life.
Hail Herzer!
I don't have a dirty mind. Just one hell of an imagination.
A person of trifling import, you say?
Relax. We're not done if you can still walk.
Nausicaa! Charge!
I'm just a sexy little cog in that fucked up machine called life.
Monsters! No, a goat'll suffice for now.
It's not that I'm always boring. It's you who's always sexy.
The wonders of projectiles and ranged weaponry.
We're not done if you can still walk.
Climbing's the easy bit. Get down's another matter.
Hey, I can see Caer Seren from here.
As you do.
You wouldn't want to hurt us, would you?
Can I come down now?
The windmill. Hard.
Can't see it getting any better than this.
Freedom. I long for freedom.
I'm just a sexy little cog in a fucked up machine called life.
Sure, no problem.